These machines were once used for selling cigarettes. Now they are used for selling art in order to promote local artists and their work. I was asked to join this initiative in Alkmaar of Pakje Kunst, which can be translated as parcel art, to make 20 different small pieces of art. For this project I used a drawing of the city center of Alkmaar, of which I made a wooden art piece a few years ago. I divided a section of this map into 21 pieces. With my digital file and a board of maple, I went to my local makerspace, the Kaasfabriek in Alkmaar, the Netherlands, where I can use the CNC router to cut out these pieces of art. When the CNC router was ready, I could take the art pieces home for finishing. But not before I give you a glimpse of what these streets are looking in real life. After sanding and rounding off the edges, I dipped the art pieces in boiled linseed oil as a protective coat. Then they were ready to put into boxes. The opening of this machine in Alkmaar was a huge success. Within a month, more than 600 art pieces from about 25 artists were sold. So I'm asked again to make some more art. But that will be another project for some day in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video and please let me know what you think. In the meantime, I'm preparing for my next project.